Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to change Outlook view back to normal in 2025. For many reasons the Outlook view changes automatically. So to fix that, first of all you need to open a Google tab and search for Outlook there. And after searching for Outlook, you can see on the first web link it says Outlook. As you can see, the Outlook view has been changed, and to revert it you have to just follow the steps I'm going to tell you now. So first of all, you can see there are multiple buttons like home, view, help and all. You just have to click on view here, and after that you can see some settings like view settings, messages, sync, layout, folder, pane, density. So you have to just simply click on the layout option here, and you can see there are multiple options like ribbon, read pane, my day. You have to just go on to the reading pane, and as you can see it's hidden, it's selected hidden now. So you just have to click on the show on the right, and boom, it's fixed. So that's how you change Outlook view back to normal in 2025. So hope that video helped you. So make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and see you on the next video.